In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show or display the tablet or laptop switch button in the system menu on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher and type in settings. Best result, you go back with settings, open that up. On the left panel, go down underneath ChromeOS settings and select that. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down again where it says tablet/laptop switch. Toggle that on if you want to enable that in the system menu, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.